Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous Restomoded 1956 F100 pickup. Got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. What are you doing today, Craig?
Yeah, it was restored in 2006.
Okay.
It had a 4.6 engine out of a Crown Victoria police cruiser put in it. Only had 40,000 miles on it. I put coil overs on front and back. Had the whole back end redone with foiling, suspension, Moser rear end with a 373, coil overs, Wilwood, disc brakes all the way around, 12-inch rims on the back, all new rims around with all new tires.
Those are Foose wheels wrapped in brand new rubber. That's a big tire you got on there. Man, that's a big boy. It's a P315 35R18. Gives it a real cool look. It's got side exhaust too. Paint's pretty cool. What is the paint from? Mazda?
What I pay for?
No, what's the paint from?
It's on two different colors. One of them's from Mazda.
Okay.
I don't remember what the other one is.
Okay. Well, it's a modern color with lots of metallic in it. Beautifully done. All stainless hardware all the way around. Really cool look, man. It's got a great stance. Love the side exhaust. It's got a modern motor in it. Completely custom interior. Beautiful fit and finish all the way around. And, Greg, what kind of wood is this?
I don't know.
Looks like, kind of looks like a mahogany almost. Real cool. Stainless fit fasteners all the way around. Complete custom interior. Kind of goes with the theme of the truck. Got buckets. Embroidered 4.6 on the headrest. Grant GT steering wheel. These look like classic industry gauges. Custom rear view mirror. Custom headliner. A lot of work's been put into this truck. It's got tons of receipts. Hot rod heater. Push button start. Can you pop the hood?
Yeah.
Brand new Foose wheels, tires, and the front we got 215 45 18s. Same size, but a different fitment. Tilt nose. It's a real cool look. Is it steel or glass, the hood? Great. Still gives it a cool look too. Custom intake system, Tubular A Arms, coil livers all the way around, right? It's got a cool motor cover on here. And underneath is a brand new, modern 4.6 liter interceptor motor. Arms up front as well. Very nicely done. Kind of sneaky how this fits under here, huh? That's a 24 valve motor. 360.
65.
Electronic wipers. Killer rear under here. This is all brand new. Got a Moser 9-inch rear, coil overs, and 373 gears.
Yes.
So cruises down the highway, nice, huh? Door panels. Okay, he's got tons These are receipts. I shot all those. Good grants you go. Looks like rich leather here too. Custom headliner, almost looks like suede. This is awesome. Can you fire up the motor? Tool exhaust. Alright, that's a lot better. Brand new horns up here. It's fuel injected too, right?
Yes.
And how many miles are on the build?
It's got about 42,000 total on the engine.
Okay.
I've put about 2,000 on it in the last 4 years.
Okay. So it's got like 5,300 on the build, pretty much. The truck.
Yes.
Love this tilt nose, man. That is cool. That's it. 5,339 miles on the build. Power steering, power disc brakes. Awesome truck. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. I took about 200 photos today, too. You can check them out on our website. So, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.